President ka BJP Meghalaya Uba Mawrie hakasi thode jakateo ula Ther ting e commentary rangba ka jala West Bengal ka badeiru ka chairperson jaka Trinamool Congress ka Mamata ka balaong ba menteri rangba do ka Narendra Modi Udei Uba Uba Mawrie uloong ba ka Trinamool Congress kami na ka jala West Bengal bar ki breu ka jala kimpala ban pidang ye ka sengsai perthai uloong ru ba ka Mamata ka krani ki kintin nambar ka kirshani ki nong Bangladesh.
The people, even if you go to the rural area, people talk about BJP. It is not like TMC, no? Mamata Banerjee, she used to quote that. Even the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, she quoted that he's outsider. And the BJP is outsider party, which we are opposing. We are the national party. The Prime Minister, how can you keep the statement Prime Minister is outsider? In that way, Mamata Banerjee, she is more outsider than him. And the origin of the TMC, it is from Calcutta. And why she keep the statement that to the Prime Minister is outsider? Because she is pro-Bangladeshi. She support the Bangladeshi. That's why she keep the statement. So it is the party which is based only in West Bengal. Here the people do not accept the TMC. And they have bring that V card and E card, which is already in West Bengal is failed. It failed in West Bengal. Do you think that people here in Meghalaya, they will follow that trust, which already failed in West Bengal? And the law and order in West Bengal is very deteriorating. And I think now West Bengal government is the most corrupted government in India.